I'm Tyler Malley, pitcher for the Minnesota Twins. I got referred to Structure SoCal by one of my teammates, and I can't wait to show you what we did. What I love most about my Structure patio is me and my family, my wife and my dog, we're able to come out here and enjoy the patio, because before it was a wood patio, rain would come right through, so I'm able to count on it to, keep the rain out and keep everything dry. I love the quality of the aluminum. It gives it that clean look. The wood out here can get, sun damaged and everything, so we like that it keeps that clean look and it looks great. Also, one of the things we love about our pergola is we don't have to maintain it. With the wood patio, we were cleaning it and trying to make it look nice, but this we could just leave it up for years and it's going to look great.